to set vibration strength on keypress Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On Screen Keyboard. Tap Gboard. Tap Preferences. Scroll down. Tap Vibrate on keypress switch until blue to turn on. Tap Vibration Strength on keypress. Drag the vibration strength on keypress slider left or right to adjust. Or tap Default to set default by system. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.